Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun with Learning Technology. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you where we will be creating a simple number guessing game using Python. It's it's a fun project that's great for beginners and a fantastic way to practice your coding skill. So let's jump right in. In this program, first we will import the random function, then we'll import the math module, random module and math module. Then we will write a program, like write the code to ask for the input from the user. That should be the lower input. Then another one will be upper input, like the user will be providing two integer input, that should be a lower one and then upper one. Then we are giving writing a code to by using the random function. We will take one random value from the given lower and upper value, then we will enter. Then after get taking the random value, we will give, like we will write a code for log, the math log function, to use the chances of guess the integer number. How many chances should be the user will get to guess the number? Because we given the already lower and upper, so we are using the math log function here to give the chances to the user, and this will be output will be like you have only 3 or 4 or 5, as much chances is there to guess the integer number. Then we are setting a variable like count equal to 0. The count value is 0 for now. Okay, after that we are giving and our checking whether the count is like less than the guess the user doing. Okay, if the count is less than, user tried once but the count we provided the chances will be 3, so now it will be again excluded there. Here we are using the while loop. So after here this will be execute, then it will be go. If the guess is, it will ask to user to guess the number. Okay, then we are using the if function. If the x value, the user given the input, like the guess is equal to x, which one is already chosen by here, we get the number, right? The round up value, the x we are getting here. So if the guess and the value, the random value is equal, then it will be print a message like congratulations, you did it in your first try or second try or third try. Then it will be like it will be go out of this while loop, and it will be back. Then we have like three chances. Okay, and we if we are choosing a value which is less than the guess, then it will be give one message like your guess is too small. And if it is bigger than the random value, then it will be give one message like your guess is too high. Okay, now if our chances, the chances given for us is the guessing time given for us is exceed, like it's more than the guess, but we are not able to guess the correct answer, it will be go here and it will be show like the number is, the random number is this, like someone like 12 to 15 or something. Then it will be print better luck next time. Okay, let's run this code and we'll see how the code is functioning. Okay, so it's first asking the enter the lower bound, like you can give whatever you want. I am just taking a example like 10. Okay, then enter the upper bound, like let's take 30. Okay, then here it is giving the pop-up, you have only 4 chances to guess the integer. Now guess a number. It will asking me for first guess a number. Let's try 20. The guess is too small. Like the number, random number is bigger than 20. Let's try 25. Here also it's coming. Guess is too small. Let's try 35. Guess is too high. Like we given the upper bound is 30, so its guess is too high. It's common error. Let's try 29. Guess is too high. Okay, you can. The given chance is 4. I tried 4 time, but I'm unable to guess the number. So it's come. The number is 26. Better last next time. Let's try one more time. Let me clear this. Now try one more time. Let's go back. Okay. Here again it's asking for the lower bound. Now give 12. Upper bound. For example purpose, I am taking only one number. Okay. Just you have only one chance. Let's try 12. Guess is too small. Better luck next time. Okay. Let's try one more time. Enter the bound. Okay, 12, 13. Let's take 12. Yeah, you can able to see right now. I have only one chance and I guess the correct number. Okay, then it's giving one pop-up like a message. Congratulations, you did it in first try. So you can take this. You can use this code and try to run it and have some fun with your friends. You can do it. You can use for your own purpose, take some time, and the code will be helpful also. You can take the code and use it. First of all, I think it is very good to you can understand the concept. What is here going on? Like first we are importing the random, then import the math, then we are taking the lower value from the user, then taking the upper value from the user. After that we are generating a random number between the lower and upper. After that we are giving the chances to the user, how many chances he have to guess the number. Then we are giving the count, like giving a number for count. After that we are using the while loop for the calculation maximum number of the guess depend of the range. Then we are taking the guess input from the user. After that we are checking the conditions. Okay, if the condition is not passing and the count is exceeded the given number, then it's going on the next concept. It is checking the whether the count is same equal count number is exceeded or not. After that it's checking the user is given correct answer or not. Then it's giving the output. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like it and share with your friends.